A replacement remote control restores convenient device operation when the original remote is lost, damaged, or malfunctioning. My today's video is about top 5 best replacement remote control that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Idgpuw Replacement Remote Control. This replacement remote control is a convenient solution for compatible Insignia, Toshiba, TCL, Hisense, Omni, 2 Series, and 4 Series smart TVs with voice control. Setup is simple, just insert 2 AAA batteries and pair the remote without dealing with complicated programming. The built-in voice control makes searching for shows, movies, and other content much easier, while providing quick access to everyday TV functions. Durability is another highlight, with a tested lifespan of more than 100,000 clicks, making it suitable for regular household use. The remote is made from brand new ABS material and is designed with pet-friendly use in mind, which can be reassuring for homes with curious dogs. Please note that 2 AAA batteries are not included. Overall, this replacement remote offers broad compatibility, easy pairing, responsive voice control, and durable construction, making it a practical replacement for a lost, damaged, or worn-out TV remote. Now our second product is Roku Replacement Remote Control. This official Roku replacement remote is a simple and convenient option for controlling compatible Roku TV models. Designed specifically for Roku TVs, it provides seamless access to essential functions without the need to juggle multiple remotes. You can power the TV on and off, adjust the volume, mute the sound, and easily control your streaming experience from one device. Setup is especially convenient, as the remote is ready to use in just one step and comes with pre-installed batteries. Being an official Roku product, it offers a reliable fit and straightforward operation for Roku TV owners. However, compatibility is limited to Roku TV models only. It does not work with Roku streaming players, Roku audio products, or other smart TV brands. Overall, this remote is a practical replacement for a lost, damaged, or worn-out Roku TV remote, combining easy setup, essential controls, and official Roku compatibility in a compact design. Our third product is Idgpuw Replacement Remote Control. This 2-pack Idgpuw replacement remote is a practical choice for households needing a backup or replacement remote for compatible Roku series TVs. It works with TCL, Hisense, ON, Sharp, Element, Westinghouse, Philips, Insignia, JVC, RCA, Hitachi, and Sanyo Roku TVs. The infrared design requires no pairing or programming, simply insert 2 AAA batteries and start using it. Please note that batteries and a manual are not included. 4 shortcut buttons provide quick access to favorite apps, while the remote offers reliable control from up to 30 feet. With tested durability exceeding 160,000 clicks across all buttons, it is designed for everyday use. Importantly, it is not compatible with Roku streaming sticks, boxes, players, or non-Roku versions of the listed TV brands. Overall, the 2-pack provides convenient backup coverage, easy operation, useful shortcuts, and dependable performance, backed by a 1-year warranty and return/refund service. Now number 4, Idgpuw Replacement Remote Control. This upgraded replacement remote is a convenient solution for compatible LG smart TVs, including LCD, LED, HD TV, UHD, OLED, 3D, and 4K models. It supports numerous LG remote models, including AKB7509537, AKB7447541, AKB744754333, AKB739755702, AKB750555701, and others, making it a versatile replacement option featuring upgraded smart chips. The remote provides precise control from up to 40 feet away, with a response time of less than 0.2 seconds for quick and reliable operation. It is also tested to support more than 160,000 clicks, offering durability for everyday use. Setup is straightforward with no programming required. Simply insert the included 2 AAA batteries and start using it. Overall, this replacement remote combines broad LG TV compatibility, fast response, convenient setup, and durable performance. Professional after-sale support is also available, making it a practical choice for replacing a lost, damaged, or malfunctioning LG TV remote. And our last choice is Idgpuw Replacement Remote Control. This voice magic remote is a convenient replacement for compatible LG smart TVs, offering both pointer navigation and voice control for a more intuitive viewing experience. It supports a wide range of LG models, including ZX, WX, GX, CX, BX, W9, E9, C9, B9, Nano, SM, UN, and UM series, along with several compatible Magic Remote model numbers. Pairing is straightforward. Install 2 AA batteries, turn on the TV, follow the button sequence, and press the wheel OK button to complete pairing. The remote provides precise control from up to 40 feet away, with a response time of less than 0.1 seconds. Each button is tested for more than 120,000 clicks, supporting dependable everyday use. The package includes one voice Magic Remote and an instruction manual. Batteries are not included. Overall, it combines responsive performance, convenient voice control, pointer functionality, and broad LG compatibility. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.